starts here. Houses in Piedmont real estate. Find your dream home in a fairy tale landscape. Escape to the heart of Monferrato, where tranquility meets convenience. Just moments from Alessandria and Asti, discover this stunning detached villa in the charming town of Solero. Imagine sun-drenched days by your private pool, evenings spent on spacious porches, and the serene beauty of Italian countryside all around. Built in the 90s, this classic villa offers a haven of comfort and style. Step inside to find over 10 luminous rooms, perfect for family living or creating your dream space. 3 bathrooms ensure comfort for everyone. A modern pellet boiler provides eco-friendly warmth, blending classic charm with contemporary living. This is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. Experience the magic of Monferrato. Your Italian dream awaits.